this man has his flowers. Sorry. Getting deeper into whatever it is that we're trying to get into. I think all along this route are people who are begging, various physical conditions. I think I probably am not going to get access to this anyway. This is where you leave your shoes because you can't take them in, or anything in leather. See, these folks get merit if they give to the people who are begging. People gather where they can drop their shoes off. These people are trying to get them to drop them off early. Okay, where we are is at number 3, somewhere around there. And we're going to go this way, the man said, to get up to here, which is Khan Market, the big market. In fact, I'll be asking a lot of directions en route. Here's a roadside attempt to keep we men from urinating on the walls, which we do anyway, I guess. I'm guessing that this well-defended wall is the south perimeter of the golf course that I have to get around to find the road that goes northwest up to the big famous Khan Market. This area that I've been walking along, this beautiful road, beautifully maintained and marked and landscaped. To the left is the golf course. To the right are what's called golf links. Golf links 40 through 57, golf links 58 through blah blah blah. This is where I suspect the wealthy, well-to-do people live, as well as diplomats and that sort of thing. The buildings that I'm walking past may be individual homes of quite wealthy people, or apartment units of reasonably wealthy people. This shop is a tribute to unmarried men, principally divorced men, but he said graciously that he would include single men also. What he's really trying to do is sell his bearded products as well as any other knickknacks. This is apparently Khan Market. Now there's apparently 2 Khan Markets. There's this one, which theoretically appeals to the average people, but to me it's a bland, just a bunch of little shops. The Apple store, phones there, and laptops, and a bunch of other stuff. Looks like it's appealing to people with some money, but then the real one is supposed to be to my left, across the main drag. So now we continue down here. Apparently all of this is Khan Market too, so maybe it's expanding out. Now there's restaurants down through here also, as well as bars. A little more interesting than I initially thought, and that's a good thing. Still looks upscale to me, but on the other hand, what doesn't? Because most of the restaurants are up on the 2nd, 3rd floor, which makes sense. Rent's cheaper. Udor Cafe, Udathunk. Interesting is that the people who are acting as the maitre d's seem to be dressed like police officers, which is interesting. Tapas Cerveza, taking a corner. So we're basically a U is what this market is, and probably with a little bit of fill-in inside. Seeing all this stuff over here, across this little side street is also Khan Market. The Jaguar just stops there and blocks the entire access to this area. Well, when you're driving a Jaguar in this country, you can probably get away with that one. Is vehicles that are very much still in use. Now is out of what would be called Khan Academy, I would think. This is more an industrial supply area here. This is Lal Gumbad, a tomb developed for the Sheikh Kabru Dinawi, Sufi saint. It's right across the street from the market, which is right over there, city market in Orange. It's obvious that there were other ruins here, other buildings or structures here. May have been tombs or tomb complexes, small ones. It looks like that dome over there is certainly being restored. It has been restored, as well as the building itself, whatever that was for. Could have been some halfway decent sized building over there, perhaps a mosque or just some other kind of little temple or something. Same thing with this building here.